welcome. I am just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Ballroom Cha-Cha, the routine number 3. This is practice routine number 3, not our club style Cha-Cha. Remember, we have 2 different styles of Cha-Cha which we are learning. This is our Ballroom Cha-Cha. If you're looking for the full class, there was a 45-minute instruction class on this, and that's in the full paid video library on my website, and that was on the 21st of February 2022. I just double check, yes, 21st of February 2022. I'm a couple of weeks behind, and I'm actually going back and recording these little short summaries at pace because there was a few that I haven't had a chance to do. So guys, I'm going to turn around and make a start. This actually is very similar to routine number 1 and 2. It builds on all of the same techniques. We were adding in hip twist to fan, then we added in an Alemana Turn onto the fan in the previous class, and this time we were tackling natural and reverse tops. I have adapted these for improvers and for living room learning. These are not the full natural and reverse tops with the precise footwork that you should see in the ballroom. Okay, so there's my little caveat that I have adapted these whilst we were getting used to doing that amount of rotation. So let us take a little look. The routine started on the follower's timing. So I'm going to do a basic back and cha cha cha, forwards and cha cha cha. Just one New Yorker, 2, 3 and a cha cha cha. One spot turn, left, right, cha cha cha. I then go for a hip twist into my fan, cha cha cha, forwards, forwards, cha cha, back, close, forwards, Alemana Turn at the end, left, right and a cha cha cha. Guys, that's very, very much a beginner stroke, just about improver level, okay, and it follows on very much from 1 and 2 in the routines. Now, the new part was natural and reverse tops. We under-rotated these as we were learning, so I did back and cha cha cha. I've got 3 bars for my natural top, left and right, cha cha cha. Right and left and a cha cha cha, left and right and a cha cha cha. Guys, I made the steps a little bit wider and a little bit less on the spot to help with the dizziness, okay, so that people won't get in so dizzy. Reverse top going back the other way. Back, replace, cha cha cha. Walk and cha cha cha, and walk and cha cha cha. Walk and a cha cha cha. Normally the natural and reverse tops have 3 revolutions as we're doing so. So they become very much about how dizzy you want to get. So we were just adapting this for the living room and adapting it for our improvers class. And in the next improvers class, the next time we tackle our ballroom cha-cha, we will increase the rotation, decrease the travelling, and get those natural and reverse tops as close to what we should be doing in the ballroom as possible. Guys, that whole routine, here we go, basic, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 1 New Yorker, 1 spot turn, here we go, hip twist, fan, Alemana Turn at the end, natural top, walking it slightly wide, still doing 3 bars, and going the other way, reverse top, going slightly wide. And there's my 3rd bar coming up. And then I'm going to finish that with a couple of side basics or cucarachas. Okay guys, so like I said, this was just a very, very short summary. That was Improvers Ballroom Cha-Cha Solo routine number 3, and that was taught on the 21st of February 2022 if you're looking for the full 45-minute segment of the class. And don't forget, that is paired with slow walks in the same class, so you need to go halfway through the video, get the slow walks out of the way, and then the cha-cha is the second half. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.